Hi, my Kayla crew, and welcome back. So today I've got a Trendsend to share with you. So I did ask in this box. Let me back up. So I received a pair of joggers in my last box, and I said, before I try those joggers on, I'm not a jogger girl. I'm just not. Well, I've been wearing the heck out of those olive green joggers, and I love them. They were pricey, but they are worth every single penny. So I actually kept 4 things from my last box. It was a really good box. So I did peek, of course. You know I can't help myself. And she sent me another pair of joggers because I asked for them. I did. I said they were so nice. They were so comfy. Send me another pair. She sent me the same joggers, but in camo. So we're going to see if they're unique enough to keep. I was kind of hoping for black. My fault. Probably should have been more specific, but we'll see how they look. Let's dig into the box. Hang on one second. Okay, so with Trendsend, they put items together for you. So the first outfit she paired together was this sweater with the camo joggers. I wouldn't wear this sweater with the camo joggers. I wouldn't wear this sweater at all. So this sweater is by 525 America. It's the wide sleeve turtleneck pullover in cosmic green, size large, $88. And the fabric is 100% acrylic. Yep. So what do you think? I think the sleeves are really cute. It has more, like the sleeve kind of bells out. It is a cuffed sleeve and it's stitched here. I do like the cabled knit style of the sweater, but you know, this is driving me crazy. I can't wait to take this sweater off because I don't care for things too close to my neck. It is a little bit shorter. Well, I guess it's not too short. I don't like the color of this at all. I really, really don't like the color. They called it, what they call it, cosmic green, I guess. I don't know. It's not a Kayla color. But I wish it was like maybe a V-neck. I do, you know, the sleeves are really nice, but it's very thick too. And acrylic, no. Okay, let me show you the back of it. All right, I'm going to talk about the joggers. Now, and of course, you know, I'm learning to be better about tying the joggers. So that was my first pair of joggers and I'm getting used to the tie, okay? I know, it drives some of you crazy when the strings hang down. It would drive me crazy if I saw it on somebody else too. All right, let's talk about the joggers. So the joggers are by Level 99, same brand as the last time. These are the Camo Gabrielle joggers and size large. So she did size me down and I'm happy she did for the last ones too. And they are $128. Yeah, so they're cute. They fit nicely. They're very comfortable too, but aren't they very close to the ones I already own? It's a very, very subtle camo print. It's not like when I thought of camo, I thought, yeah, we'll be able to notice that they're camo print, but you can't really tell, can you? Not really. I'll show you in the recap. But I do want another pair of joggers, but I'm not going to spend $128 for ones that are similar to the ones that I already own. Let me show you the back of them. I'll pop a card up above to the last Trendsend box I got so you can see those joggers. I'm telling you, I know I keep saying this, but I wear them all the time. I do. So let me know what you think, but I'll show you again, close up the print, but you can tell it's so subtle. They look olive green, I bet. All right, I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, so I've got on almost all of outfit number 2, except for the beanie. I'm not a hat girl. Let me tell you what it is. We'll talk about that first. I'm not going to keep this, so I'm not going to try it on. I'll keep it nice and fresh for the next person. And I've got a bun on, and I'm already ruining my bun by taking on and off all these clothes. So this would just make it worse. Just not a hat girl, are you? So this is by Harriet. It's the Tori tie-dye ribbed beanie, and it's $25. So not a bad price. It is cute. I do like the tie-dye, but I wouldn't wear it. I know I wouldn't pull for it. It's actually so soft. So if you're a hat girl or a beanie girl, you might want to check this one out. I'll be sending mine back so you can have mine. All right, so this is the outfit. The rest of that hat was with this outfit. So this is the rest of it. Let's talk through it piece by piece. I think it's really cute, but ladies, this is a pricey outfit. So I'm going to have to go online and see if I can find these pieces elsewhere, especially this jacket. Because, you know, if I were to keep 4 pieces in this box, then it might be worth it because you get 10% off. But this jacket's $158. Yeah, it's cute. Don't get me wrong. It's very cute. Let me tell you what it is. It's by Marrakech. I think that's how you say it. The Carrie Moto jacket in black, size large. I already told you the price. So I don't own a black Moto jacket, and I think it's very, very cute. It's very like chic looking, I think. What do you think about it? A little bit edgy, maybe. Yeah, a little bit edgy. It's got some shine to it, and it's got the silver details. I don't know. I like it. I think it's fun. I think it's very fun. But I don't, is it $158? I don't know. Let me show you the back of it. I'm gonna have to put my bargain hunting hat on. Now I'm all thrown off. My bargain hunting hat on and see what I can find online. I'm going to, because this is cute and I think I'd wear it. It's very comfortable. It's very soft, but maybe like Nordstrom Rack has something like this. Maybe, I don't know. I do like it. I love, see, it kind of has, I don't know what I want to call this. Like the print of it. You know what I mean? I don't know. Kind of giving off some leather jacket vibes, isn't it too? All right, let's move on. Let's talk about the tank. The tank is just a basic white tank. So I don't think I'll keep it, but let's talk about it anyway. It's by Peyton Jensen. It's the Parker Tunic tank in white, size large, $38. It's 94% modal and 6% spandex. I do like the V neckline of it. I think, you know, I like a V neckline. And I like the length of it. I like that it's a little bit longer. It does have a rounded hemline too. It's just a basic white tank though, and I can find it cheaper elsewhere. You know, Nordstrom Rack. I picked a couple up in Nordstrom Rack too. All right, let me show you the back. And with my white, I tend to want to size up. They sized me down in this, and I don't know why. I think I'd want an extra large. All right, let's talk about these pants. These pants are so comfortable. They're Spanx, and I think I tried on a pair of Spanx once before. I don't own any Spanx. These are the Look at Me Now seamless legging in black camo, extra large, $68. So again, very subtle camo print. This is more, the other one was more of like a green scale camo. This is more of a gray scale camo. My camo girls out there are probably loving this box, right? Lots of camo. So I do like these, but I don't know, are they $68 worth? I don't know. I don't know if I pull for them enough to wear them. I don't know. I'm on the fence about these. They did seem to be a bit long and they're kind of pulling at my ankles a little bit. So I don't know. Let me show you the side and the back. They feel great. Oh, I'm walking too close. They feel really nice, but I just don't know. Maybe I should having trouble with words today, huh? Should search for these somewhere else. I don't know. And I do have an active edit here too, so I may have some leggings in those. All right, I will be right back. They only sent me 2 outfits this time, so it's already time for a recap, so hang on. Okay, so they only sent me 2 outfits from this box, so I think it's time to change my store. So last time, actually the box before last, I had asked you guys for suggestions, and I saved a list of those suggestions, so thank you for leaving me your suggestions on where you get really great boxes from. So I am gonna switch my store. I thought I did that, and I guess I didn't hit save. Now this was for last box, but then the last box I got from my local store, which I thought was coming from somewhere else. You know what I'm trying to say. It was a great box. I kept 4 things and I got 3 outfits last time. So I didn't change my store for this box because I'm like, oh, last time was great. But you know what? I don't think it's the store's fault. I think their inventory is just limited there. It's not a huge store. And so I think I'm just gonna change stores to see what I can get elsewhere. So the joggers, they're so cute. They're so comfortable. And I did ask for joggers, but I think the color is too close to what I already own. The ones I own are those olive green ones. And see what I mean? It's a very subtle camo print. You can hardly tell they're camo, even close up, you know? Very, very subtle. So because the color is so close, I'm gonna send them back. If it was a totally different color, I'd keep them. I really want the black. I do. So actually, I got stopped. I was in the store. I was in, where was I? Home Goods. I'm always in a store somewhere. You know that. So I'm walking out of Home Goods and this woman was like, I need to ask you where you got your joggers. And so I told her all about it, and hopefully she ordered a box too. And then this jacket, this is the only other thing that I'm thinking about. The Spanx leggings are nice. I just don't know how much I pull for them. I don't know, but I have them on still. I didn't want to take them off. I know I look crazy with my floral and the Spanx, but maybe that's a sign I should keep them because they're very, very comfortable. Darn. And I know Spanx is worth it. I'm going to look somewhere else for this jacket, I think. It's very, very cute. I thought it looked cute on too, but it's $158. Yikes. I'm gonna look at the rack and see what I can find. I might take a trip today, actually. You may see another haul depending on what I can find. All right, so let me know what you think. I don't know if I'll keep anything in this box. If anything, maybe these Spanx leggings. Yeah, maybe. Let me know. Thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.